The knife I'm using today is by Nakano Knives. It's a Mito Santoku knife. It's really nice, it's beautiful, it's gorgeous, it's a nice thin blade, and it's perfect for chopping veggies, slicing meat without tearing the meat, all that good stuff. It's really sharp out of the box. It's relatively easy to sharpen. I've had good luck sharpening the knife so far. I've been using this knife for about 3 weeks now, and me and my wife both love this knife. It's a good knife. Anyway, if you want to learn more, follow the link below, and if you follow that link, then you'll get a discount off of your purchase. I think they said like 10% or something. But anyway, it's a nice knife. We love it. For tonight's dinner, I'm going to cut this flank steak up, and then I'm going to make some beef fajitas. Anyway, my cutting technique isn't the best of the world, but best in the world, but I can still get this meat cut up into nice thin slices. I mean, the knife cuts right through it. It doesn't tear it. Anyway, I think that looks pretty good. So now I'm going to cut up some bell peppers. Anyway, I like putting bell peppers in my fajitas. I use the red ones when I can. Anyway, the blade just goes right through here. This is a pretty easy to maintain blade. It's made out of a high carbon stainless steel. Stainless steel resists rusting. The high carbon means it's relatively easier to sharpen. If you take a stainless steel blade, it's real hard to sharpen. But when they make it out of the high carbon, it's a lot easier to sharpen. All that good stuff. Anyway, it makes pretty short work of this bell pepper. All right, so now I'm gonna cut up some onion because I always like putting onion in my fajitas. Now, if you'll notice, the camera is gonna start falling down on me because I didn't have it locked into place very good. Hey, it is what it is, right? So anyway, the master craftsmen that have been making these knives have been making them in Japan since like 1918. So I think by now they might have an idea of what they're doing. I don't know for sure, but hey, they might know what's going on. Anyway, it is what it is. Here we go. Now, I'm going to cut up some mushrooms. I had some in the fridge. I like throwing mushrooms in my fajitas when I can. Now, I had a yellow squash left over from making squash the other night, so I hate wasting my veggies. I like to throw them in stuff when I can. Anyway, I hope you guys give this knife a try. I mean, I love it. It's not crazy, wild, and all that good stuff, but it's nice. It feels good in my hand, and it cuts really, really well.